Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the built-in emoji picker so you never leave your typing flow. On Windows, press Windows plus period. On Mac OS, press Control plus Command plus space. Once done, place the cursor where you want the emoji to appear because the picker inserts at the caret position. You'll see categories and a search box. Type keywords like smile or pizza to narrow results, and make sure to use arrow keys or mouse to pick the exact emoji you need. You now select and, if needed, customize the emoji before inserting it. Click an emoji or press enter to drop it at the cursor. This keeps your formatting intact. For people emoji, choose a skin tone modifier to match context, and for flags or family combos, use zero-width joiner sequences if supported. Once inserted, make sure to continue typing or add spaces. If you need repeated emoji, copy and paste, or use recent emoji history. Finish by confirming the emoji displays correctly where it will be read. Different platforms render icons differently. If recipients see a missing glyph, export the emoji as an image or paste from the clipboard to preserve appearance. If the picker won't open, restart the app or the OS, and make sure the keyboard shortcuts are enabled in Settings. Finally, keep a small custom list of frequently used emoji to copy quickly when compatibility or search problems occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.